Hello! In this project, we will program the Chipkit 132 microcontroller to control an external LED via its pins. And we will write up a sketch using a constant variable. You will need a breadboard, a Chipkit board with its USB cable, 3 connecting wires, a 220 ohms resistor, an LED, and the MPIDE software must be installed on your computer. First, connect the Chipkit board to your computer. Next, connect the ground pin to a rail and then to the resistor. Setting one rail to ground is a good habit to develop because it reduces the clutter of circuits you implement. Next, place your 220 ohm resistor on the breadboard with one end connected to ground. This will be your current limiting component, and it should be connected in series with the LED. Now, we place the LED with the appropriate orientation. Recall that the voltage drop on a diode is from anode, the longer leg, to the cathode, the shorter leg, and it should be approximately 2 volts. Then, connect pin 3 to the anode. Now that we have the circuit properly wired, it is time to program the board. Open up MPIDE. You can start with the sketch used in the blinking and onboard LED project. And the only change you would need to make is adding a variable to your sketch. However, in this video we will write a new sketch. Let's create a constant variable of type int to make the code more readable. Type const for constant, int for our integer 3, then the variable name LED pin in this case. Then create a setup function of type void. Next, within the setup function, use the pin mode function to tell the board you wish to use a pin in a certain way. This function takes 2 arguments. One is the pin number and the other is the mode. Therefore, we use pin mode, LED pin, and output. And let's add a comment for good programming practices. Next, you can write the loop function. Type void, loop, open bracket, and then to make the LED blink, you will use a combination of functions. The first is digital write, which requires 2 arguments, the pin number and the state of the pin. Let's start with high to turn it on. The next function needed within the loop is the delay function. Type delay, parenthesis, and include the number 1000, which is in milliseconds. This is a 1 second delay, and comment. We repeat the writing and the delaying functions again to turn the LED off and add another 1 second delay, then close brackets. Now we have all the code necessary to make the external LED blink, and we're ready to upload. And there it is. The LED is blinking every second. You can practice making changes like choosing a different pin number by modifying the sketch and rewiring the circuit, or try to make an on-board and an off-board LED blink simultaneously. And that's all for making the external LED blink.